Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to access series index and values and perform some mathematical operations on series and how to delete elements from a series. So let's get started. Accessing series index and values. So let's create a series first. Import pandas as PD. Define the list of series. So here is your list in variable s. Now let's convert it into series. So for this you can use pd dot series and pass your parameters or argument. You can print your data. So here you can see the index and its data. So how to access index? If you want to access index, for this you can use index attribute. So when you run this file, it will shows your range index that will be started from 0 and a stop that is 7, or you can say n-1, so it will goes up to 6, and the step value is 1. So using index attribute you can access index, and if you want to access values from your series, so for this you can use values attribute. So it will return all the values from your series. So here you can see the values from series. Now let's see how to access elements from series. Let's take an example, that is element at third place in series. If you want to access element that is at third place, so use or pass its index, that is 2. So at index 0 the element is Sunday, at index 1 that is Monday, at index 2 the element is Tuesday, and we want to access this element at third place, that is Tuesday, so we have to use this index data 2. So it will return Tuesday, element at third place in series, that is Tuesday. You can also use some other index elements if you want to access first element. So you can use index position 0, so it will return Sunday. You can also use colon, or you can say slice operator 3, so it will return for first 3 index values, that is 0, 1 or 2. So it will start from 0 and goes up to n-1, that is 2, so it will return 0, 1 or 2 elements. So at index 0, 1 or 2 the elements are Sunday, Monday or Tuesday. if you want to use the elements start at index position 3, so it will start from third to last, so it will start from index position 3 and goes up to last index. So index position 3 is at 0, 1, 2 or 3, so it will start from Wednesday and return up to Saturday. So from Wednesday to Saturday. You can also use negative indexing, so it will return for last 3 values, that is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Because right side index is started from -1, -2 or -3, so we will start from -3 and goes up to end, so it will return Thursday, Friday or Saturday. You can also use -3, so it will display all the elements except last 3. So it will start from 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 or 3. So it will display all the elements but not display last 3 elements. You can also start index position 1 and goes up to 2, that is n-1, so it will start from index position 1 to 2, that is elements are 1 or 2, Monday or Tuesday. So like this you can perform slice operator or access elements in a series. You can also use head or tail. If you are using head function, so it will display top 5 rows by default using head function. So you can see first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So head function will return top 5 rows by default. If you pass an integer or argument, so it will display top 2 rows from your series element. For last rows you can use tail, so it will return last 2 rows. If you did not pass any argument here, so it will return last 5 rows by default. Now let's see how mathematical operations will work on series. Mathematical operations on series. So let's create a series first. So here is my list 11, 12, 13 and 14. Let's see the series with its index. Okay, now let's create one more series with another variable s1 contains list elements 21, 22, 23 or 24. Data 1 equals to pd dot series s1 print data 1. So let's see both the series So both the lists are converted into series. So let's perform some mathematical operation on these series. You can use data plus data 1. So let's see the changes. So it will add series 1 with series 2. Let's change some elements here. In variable s there are 4 elements, and in variable s1 there are 3 elements. Now let's see the changes. So here you can see where the argument is not matched, it will return NaN. In the same manner you can use multiplication. So you can multiply the series. You can divide the series. So we can perform arithmetic operation on series, but it is possible on objects of same index, otherwise it will return as NaN. Now let's see how to delete elements from series. Delete element from series. We can delete an element from a series using drop method by passing the index of the element to be deleted as the argument to it. So let's see the changes. Here is my variable s, which contains a list. Using pd.series function we can convert our list into a series and store in variable data and print your series. So now let's use drop function. Drop 3, that is index 0, 1, 2 or 3, or you can change index, that is 2, 0, 1 or 2. So it will drop element 13. So here are your remaining elements. So using drop function you can delete elements from a series. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we will perform some other operations with series. Thank you for watching the video.